Hello, first grade. Today we're going to be practicing word problems, but before we do this, let's go ahead and review some vocabulary. Addition, to combine or put together two or more amounts. Addend, any number being added. Sum, the answer to an addition problem. Unknown, the missing part or number in a problem. Before we start reading some types of word problems and reviewing the word problems, I want to go over some vocabulary that allows us to distinguish if a problem is going to be a subtraction problem or an addition problem. So when you hear the words difference, less than, fewer than, more than, greater than, decrease, separate, take away. Those are some keywords that allow us to identify that the problem is going to be a subtraction problem. And just like subtraction, there's also keywords that allow us to find out if our problem is going to be an addition problem, like sum, more than, total, together, combine, increase by, and all, addend to, and join. Those are words that typically, if we read them in a word problem, allow us to identify that that's going to be an addition problem. So let's go ahead and practice. There are three types of different word problems, and we're going to be solving using a strip diagram and model. So when we use the strip diagram, we read the problem and we find the part, the start, the part change, and the whole or the result to figure out the problem. So you can have a part and a part to make the whole. So two numbers that make a bigger number, just like when you were composing and decomposing numbers. So there are 3 dogs and 2 more dogs came to play. How many dogs are there now? So in the model, I have drawn 3 dogs and then 2 more came. So I already know that because it says 2 more came and then how many are there now, it lets me know that that's going to be an addition problem. So the first part of the problem, it says that we started with 3 dogs and then something happened, 2 more dogs came, and now we need to figure out the total, the whole, how much these 2 numbers make, this part and this part make a total, a whole. Okay, so then we count 3 plus 2 more is 5. So that means that my missing number is 5, or my total is 5. So now we know that there are a total of 5 dogs playing. When the change is unknown, that means that there's a part missing from the whole. They'll give you one part in the whole, but you have to figure out the other part. So let's go ahead and read it. There was 1 owl on the tree. Then some more flew in. See how it says some more? It doesn't give us a number. It just tells you some more. So that lets us know that that's the part that is missing. Now there are 4 owls. How many flew in? So it gave us the total. So it gave us the 1 owl that we started with. And it says some more came, and now we have 4. So our total is 4. It means we have to figure out this missing part. This is the part that's missing. So if we do the opposite of adding to figure out this equation, so we take away 4 minus 1 equals 3. Mary had some airplanes. Then she made 2 more. Now she has 4 paper airplanes. How many did she start with? So here the question tells us that the star is missing. So that lets us already know that one of the parts is missing. So it says Mary had some airplanes. It doesn't tell us how many. She just says she had some. Then she made 2 more. So the change was this, that she did 2 more. Now she has 4. So they give us a total. So here a part is missing, our start is missing. And then another part of this equation is a 2, and the total is 4. So here I have my diagram of 4 airplanes, and then there's 2. So the 2 that she made later, and then this is what she started with, 2. Okay. So now it's your turn to go and practice.